Hey guys, my name's Aaron Shelnut. I'm the Chief Operating Officer of Impact LED Signs. Today I want to show you the next generation of electronic message centers. That is the G4. It's a really cool sign with a lot of great features and benefits that I think you're going to love as much as I do. So come on, let's get into it. With the G4, we're offering 4 different resolutions: 15, 9, 6, and 4mm. We're achieving greater than 10,000 nits brightness, and the 4mm is the highest, brightest resolution sign in the industry today. The module is built on a 12-inch by 12-inch platform, making project layout and planning really easy. The cabinet, being borderless, zoning allocation is not wasted on that border around the edge of the cabinet. That means your customer gets to utilize 100% of the sign that they purchased. They're going to love that. So let's take a closer look at the G4. The first thing I want to cover is accessibility. It was designed to have 100% front and rear access. That means when the sign's installed and you can no longer get to the back, you can still get to anything you need from the front side. Let me go ahead and remove this one. And you can now see the component box. By simply opening the panel, you have access to all the components inside. Your technicians are going to love this fast, efficient way to get to components on an install. As we come around here to the side of the sign, I want to point out 3 different things to you. First, with this design, we can now drill and bolt directly into the side of the cabinet without the fear of voiding the warranty. Now, in many cases, you're still going to use the mounting brackets that we provide on the top and the bottom, but it's always nice to have that option when you need it. The second thing is the lifting tab. The lifting tab allows you to lift the sign in place using one lifting point without the use of a stretcher bar. And then last is the G4 is designed to be 35% lighter than others in the industry. That just makes life easier. We've removed the back of the sign to be able to show you some of our other components. We got our controller box, communication box, and power boxes. Here's our patent pending design of HDMI and power built into one cable. Now we chose HDMI because it's the most reliable video connection on the market. And the G4 is the only sign utilizing that HDMI connection to communicate with each individual module. You hear that click? That's another feature of that patent pending design. It allows you to know it's locked in place and good to go. Now, ventilation. The G4 is our coolest sign yet. It's designed to have 50% less ventilation than any other sign, meaning you're going to be able to install this sign virtually in any environment. Being exclusively wholesale, we help sign companies provide their customers with an exceptional experience by providing products ready to install like the G4. I hope you've enjoyed learning about the next generation of EMCs. If you have questions or need a quote, well, we hope you reach out. Thanks for stopping by. We'd love to hear from you.